or leaking fuel out of somewhere. Okay, so we were fortunate enough to have some great weather, so we were able to try to swap out these injector feed lines. Alright, right now I'm going to get this inner fender ripped out, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do next. Okay, so we've got the passenger side wheel well out. We're just going to pull out one glow plug and double check it with the one we have. Make sure that it's right before we rip out all 8 of them. Okay, now that we've got a glow plug out, right back here, still got all the other ones in, we're just gonna look at our new ones with the ones we removed and double check length. Make sure the threads are in the right spot. They're not too far up or too far down. And then we're gonna go ahead and get all the other ones ripped out and anti-seize all these threads and put them back in, put the wheel well in, and we'll start on the driver's side. All right, we got the whole driver's side out. Now we're gonna unbox all the new ones, start anti-seizing and sliding them back in. All right, now that we got all the new glow plugs in, we're gonna take off the nuts, reconnect the wires back to them, and button this side up. All right, we've got all the glow plugs in, all the wires in. Now we'll put the inner fender back in and start on the other side. All right, we got one side squared away. Now let's start on the next side. All right, we've got the inner fender out. I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. Can't really see too well over here. It won't be too bad pulling them out. Okay, so the first glow plug I went to take out, I went to remove the wire from this glow plug, and the whole inside just came completely out. The whole inside of the glow plug, the wire is still attached. Okay, so the glow plug directly behind the steering shaft. I don't know how well you can see it back here. That one directly back there. Also, since they're so close to something, like this one's close to the intercooler pipe, the other one against the steering shaft, I just used a 1/4-inch ratchet and a deep wheel 12mm, and it actually worked out really good at sliding back behind all those to get them tight. The rest of them I just used an extension on a 3/8 electric ratchet. So now we'll get all the wires hooked back up and get this inner fender in. So now we've got all the glow plug wires in, all the glow plugs, everything like that. So now we're gonna button up this inner fender, call this job done.